My name is Cyrill Halbauer. I work for Rolls-Royce Solutions since 2011. I'm application engineer for commercial vessels and mainly doing projects in tugboat business and especially tugboats with alternative propulsion solutions.
Okay. In your presentation today, you talked about the engine system on a tug called JMS Sunshine.
Yes.
Can you please give more details on that?
Yes, the JMS Sunshine is a LNG-hybrid tugboat, and we had been approached by the customer, which is Cyrill Marine from Singapore, in 2018. They came up with a solution to fulfill the Singaporean emission legislation roadmap, and they wanted to find a solution for a tug propulsion system which reduces the air pollution as much as possible. So the combination between LNG, which burns very, very clean, and electric drives are very interesting. And they designed the vessel and integrated our engines, and to come up with a defined bollard pull of 65 tons. They added to the 1,500 kW, 500 kW of electric power.
What type of engine did you provide for this project?
Yeah, the engines are called 16V 4000M 55RN, quite complicated, but it's actually a Series 4000 engine, and that means it's the same engine core as we use for our diesel products. And Series 4000 means that you are looking at approximately 4 liters displacement per cylinder. And it's a high-speed marine engine, and it operates with LNG or CNG. It's natural gas driven.
And do you see more applications of this in the tugboat market?
Yes, I think we will see it more or less in larger vessels, because the challenge to not only fit the engine, but even more the tank and the tank system is really high when it comes to the confined space you see in a harbour tug, for example. So if we would be looking at offshore tugs, larger engine rooms, larger tank sizes, that's much more convenient to integrate.
Okay. And you mentioned that it's a basis for the next generation of other types of...
Yes.
So could you elaborate more on this type of other fuels that it could be used for?
Yeah, thanks for that question. Rolls-Royce Solutions, we going down two directions. So we, on the one hand side, look into developing dual fuel methanol engines. We also, at the moment, focus on single fuel. We see the dual fuel as an intermediate solution, because what we see in our pre-development is that the substitution rate between diesel and methanol are on a level which, on the long term, I think will not be enough. So if we go further down that road, a single fuel methanol engine will be needed and requested by the customers anyway. And so for the single fuel solution, the spark ignited lean burn engine is a very good basis to learn how these kind of engines operate, and from there on we can start developing.